Yo, what is up, my dudes? We are back. Like, it's been like a month or something. Sorry about that. But, anyways, today we are playing the one, the only Happy Wheels. Yeah, yep. Yeah, I'm trying to steal Jacksepticeye's little intro over here. I remember when Jacksepticeye did his 101. It was so. Bring back so many memories. But I'm over here doing. Make the bottles jump for themselves.
The heck? How?
I'm trying to do some bottle flips over here, but it's like not working out for me.
Ray still plays?
Does he still play?
Land here, you are gone. Yeah, Ray still plays. Do ML. Try to get into MLE. No, oh my god. That was so close.
Now I gotta restart it.
Reinstall.
I think this is gonna get an MLE. Oh, MLEs? MLE is going so good so far. Does Gray still play? I don't know. Alright, come on. Ooh! Ooh! No, you cheated. I wanna get that like getting bottle caps on there. Gotta yeet them. Not yeet them backwards. I never said yeet them backwards. You're supposed to yeet them forward. Woo! This is MLE. Alright, go. Alright, you go too. I have no idea what just happened. Oh, I almost did the I almost did like MLE, but like on the edge. It was like so epic. Edit characters in Fortnite? Cursed? Ooh, I got not bad. Not bad. Resetting. Alright, let's go. And I don't want all the bottle stuff. How the heck? Like, how in the hecking butt cheeks did I get that one? And they're launching myself. Hey Jamal, what's up, Jamal? I hate when the bottle gets right there. Oh yeah, I got one. I got a bottle cap on MLE. If you cap it in this space, you're a god of hacking. Yes, very distinguished. Did you just see this one right here? So I count that. I'll count that. I got MLE. I got not bad. I got cap it in this space. You're a god of hacking. I also got this one. It's like capping itself. I'm gonna just like take this glorious moment. Dun, 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 because I can't afford premium on this freaking thing I'm recording. So, Yeet. 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 Alright, I got not bad, not bad, not bad. I got MLE already. Alright, I got a double not bad. Might as well, man. Yeah. Alright, let's memorize this glorious moment right here. Right here. Pretty good. And this one. And there's always gonna be a bottle that's just like, what the heck happened to my computer? That's just um I was like, what? Ah, oh, dang it, I almost got the god. I got a blackmail. Oh, I should have did the. Oh, I got great still plays. Yes, boys. If only I get god at hacking. God at hacking, please. God at hacking. Alright, let's memorize this glorious moment right here, right here. That was pretty good. I got great still plays, which is like impossible to get. This one is also impossible to get. But like, but well, I gotta go and do stuff. I know this was a really short video, because it's only like 7 minutes and 30 seconds, but I'm sorry. I think we'll have a part 2, so, yeah, get the subscribe and post notification and, do all that good goods. So, bye-bye.